What is going on, saints and good folks? It's your girl Adina here at Miss Dina 610, and today we are doing yet another unboxing. Why? The reason we're unboxing today is because Juvia's Place wanted my coin and I wanted to give it to them. It wasn't really their fault. I mean, it kind of was, but if you want to see what I got from Juvia's Place, just stay tuned. Oh, what I got from Juvia's Place and why I'm out here looking like Tyrone Biggums by the lips? How you doing? Stay tuned. When Juvia's Place puts a palette on sale, you cave, okay? Listen. What was that? When Juvia's Place puts a palette on sale, you cave. I mean, that's just what you do. Like, you just do that. Girl, this Tyrone Biggums is killing me, honey. Okay. This palette that I've got, I went back and forth and I struggled amongst myself to determine or decide whether I wanted to go there or not go there, and I ended up going there. So let's get into this box so you can see what palette I'm talking about. This video's all over the place. Just go with me, okay? Just go with me. I don't know if we talked about this with another Juvia's Place package, and I think we did with the Magic palette that I unboxed, which I did live, so go check out that video. I put it in the cards. But I love their packaging, and I always feel like my palette is super secure. So we got packing peanuts. And then they tuck your palette underneath the packing peanuts. I don't want to have to clean up packing peanuts, so I'm trying to be real careful, y'all. So, see, that's what I'm talking about. So, then they take and they tuck your palette away in some styrofoam wrapping. This is what I got. The festival palette. I'm late to the party. Girl, I don't need you in the comments telling me I'm late. Girl, I know I'm late to the party. But I picked up the festival palette. One, because it was suggested by Asian Gorgeously. And she has like, I think 3 videos up about the festival palette, and I went back and forth amongst myself on whether or not I should get this palette. And I knew I wanted it, but I was like, well, let me look at the reviews and see what people that I know are saying. And then Juvia's Place put it on sale for $14. Okay, the palette normally retails for $21, so I was like, oh shoot. Okay, I mean, and then the shipping was like $3.99, which I'm okay with. I'm okay with that. I'm okay. Y'all know I hate to pay a shipping, but anyway, a shipping fee. But anyway, so I got it for $14.70, I think is what it ended up being. So I got the festival palette, and it says on the back, the festival, a gathering of ritual celebrations filled with bold, daring, and mystic trances. A fetish party complemented by exuberant colors. The festival eyeshadow palette consists of 9 highly pigmented eyeshadows. So this is a 9-pan palette. And back to the shipping of the packaging, they always, you know, put your palette in a box. Of course, it comes in a box. It looks very much so like the palette itself. And then, well, this just came out, but they wrap your palette in bubble wrap too on the inside, so it fills up the box, which is always a wonderful thing. You don't ever have to worry about your palette coming damaged, unless of course there was damage done to it prior to packaging. But in transit, you shouldn't have, you know, anything falling apart or anything happening in transit. And I'm going to take the little film off. And here we go. Boom. It is here live and in color, saints. Listen, it is gorgeous. It really is. I mean, and for 14 bucks, 9 pans, huge pans. Let me think. What can I use that you all would be familiar with the size of it? Those can vary. I don't want to use that. Okay, let's take the travel size Fix Plus, okay? So the travel size Fix Plus over top, I'm going to do it over top of a color. Like maybe y'all can see it. Let me see, what's it doing? So it's about, it's a little, the pans are a little bit wider than the base of the Fix Plus, like the Travel Fix Plus. So that lets you know how huge they are. To me, that's huge. Especially when, like, with my, let's take this Elements of Surprise palette, which of course they kind of compare, but they don't compare. But I spent more than, well, maybe I spent $15 on this. Okay, so I got a few more colors in here. With 3 more colors than I do in my festival palette. But you see how small the pans are? so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I enjoyed doing it. This palette is definitely a must buy. Definitely, definitely, definitely. I don't know what's going on with my under eye. Again, that is a struggle. I don't want y'all judging me, but I'm sure somebody will. Okay. Okay, but I gotta put these on so I can see y'all, and so y'all can understand how serious I am about this here. Okay, this festival palette is definitely worth the money. I definitely approve this palette and everything from Juvia's Place. Like, you can't go wrong. Look, y'all, look. The blush, and I have 3 other palettes. We're gonna play in the Magic palette next. I think we're gonna do that one next. But this festival palette is beautiful. I had little to no fallout from it. You can see where I tapped my brush on that color there on the bottom. Like, it just, I mean, and the pans are huge, and the prices that you're paying for these palettes, I mean, it's an amazing value compared to what you get from other high-end brands and the small amount that you get. You know what I'm saying? So this is absolutely worth the money. I'm not sure if it's an ongoing thing, if they still have the free shipping over $15, but if they do, that makes this even more better, because all of their palettes are like 21, 25, and this big one usually goes for I think 32, and they run really dope sales. So I ended up getting this palette, shipping and all, for like $18. It's affordable. It can stay within your budget balance, and you get these awesome palettes. So if you have never tried a Juvia's Place palette, and you know you like colors, I would definitely recommend this palette. Definitely give them a try if you have not tried them. And I'm gonna get out of here, but what I want you to do is whatever YouTube tells you to watch, I just want y'all to watch. Like, just go in and let have, you know what I'm saying? If you're here, just check out some of my old videos, check out some of my real struggle makeup videos, you know what I'm saying? Like, get into that. Okay, let's get into that, the way my struggle used to be set up. Okay, maybe they'll give you one of those, or one of my talking videos. I'm always talking about something, always. So leave me a comment, subscribe. Please subscribe to the channel. I would greatly appreciate it, and I want to interact with you guys, so look for my social media handles below, and also leave comments. I love talking with you guys. So until next time, watch whatever YouTube tells you to watch, girl. And I'll see you next time, girl. All right now. I'm going to get out the way so you can see it.